It's me. Lowe's was trying to get a hold of us, but they couldn't. I guess he said it was either my phone or his phone. But they did bring it. There's a dump cart that's got to be put together yet. And here's the mower. The Troy-Bilt Pony 7-speed. Oh, it even says take advantage of Lowe's service. Oh, you're gonna cut the thing off for the key.
Where are your kids?
There's the key for it. I really don't need that plastic on it, but I don't even know how to get it. Looks like a nice mower. Should be for as much as it costs. That's going to be fun putting that together. But I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.